and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and this is your December Flavors of the Month kit. The Flavors of the Month comes out every month, includes 4 brand new collections including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So this is a great way to get new product coming in every month. Along with your kit, you're going to get a sample of gourmet coffee so that you can brew that up and drink it while you create with your projects. You'll also receive 4 recipe cards, one for each one of the 4 collections designed by the design team for a double-page layout. It'll have a full color photo of the finished layout and cutting and assembly instructions, so you'll be ready to go as soon as your kit arrives. You can also find lots of inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers on the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook group, along with challenges that you can participate in for prizes. So be sure to come on over and visit with us. This month's Flavors of the Month is all about Christmas, as you can tell. So we have a wide variety of different types of Christmas collections this month. Starting from Santa's Workshop, created by Cartabella. Echo Park has Celebrate Christmas, Pebbles Cozy Christmas, and Simple Stories Simple Vintage Christmas. So you can see there's from fun and whimsical to your traditional red and green, to even one that has a little bit of pink and a vintage flair to it. So there's something for everyone. Perfect to scrapbook your holiday events and include in your December daily if you're doing a December album. So let's go through and take a closer look at each one of the 4 collections you'll be receiving this month. First, from Cartabella, we're going to have Santa's Workshop. This one is a fun, whimsical collection with a vintage feel to it, very much in Cartabella's style. So this first sheet has all of these Christmas sayings on it, as well as Santa with his pack and gingerbread and ornaments and presents. And the back is a diagonal red and white candy cane stripe. This one is called Season's Greetings. Then we have this sheet on the blue with jolly old Saint Nick's cute little face there. And the back is a large buffalo plaid in red and white. This one's called Holly Jolly Santa. And then we have the cute red truck for Christmas along with the Christmas tree. And the back is holly and the holly berries, and this one is called Tree Hall. So one more look at your patterned paper. You can tell the classic red and green. Your cardstock is 2 sheets of lava. For your embellishments, you're going to get a 1/4 of a pack of the ephemera. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the one that I received in mine. So there's some tags, and this actually punches out of the center of here if you wanted to separate it. As well as a 1/5 a pack of the enamel dots, and so those will vary, but I got red ones. So that is Cartabella Santa's Workshop. Our next collection is from Echo Park called Celebrate Christmas. So this is a traditional red and green with your traditional icons running throughout the collection. So this first patterned paper is No Peeking, and it's just lots of different gift boxes and gift bags. The back is a snowflake and reindeer design on red. The next sheet, called Holly Jolly, is a poinsettia on black with the holly. And the back is a snowflake print on craft. Our third sheet is Comfort and Joy, which is a large buffalo plaid in the red and black with a white. And the back is a mistletoe print on black. So one more look at patterned paper. Love the craft in and the black with that red and green. Just makes it really pop. Your cardstock, you'll receive 2 sheets of black. And for your embellishments, you're going to get the full 12 by 12 element sticker sheet. So there's 3 borders on here, and then your large icons, perfect for your titles, are these words or subtitles, down to little small snowflakes and little tagged and candy designs. So that's Celebrate Christmas from Echo Park. Next we have Cozy and Bright from Pebbles. And I love the turquoisey green and the pink and the red in this collection, and it has such a vintage antique feel to it. It is just beautiful. So for your paper, we have this one called Fa La La La. That's the pink and red poinsettias with candy canes. The back is a pink and red diagonal candy cane stripe, full branding strip with little peppermints on it. We have this one called Merry and Bright, which is snowflakes stitched design on red. And then a vertical stripe in the pink and the red and the turquoise and green. And this branding strip is little pine cones. The last sheet is called Christmas Magic, and it has poinsettias and little mushrooms and the little berries. And that beautiful blue. And then the back is the green with a stitched design of different poinsettias and flowers and holly and a fern leaf, and the branding strip on this is candy canes. So hopefully that stitching shows up on that. So one more look at the patterned paper. Your cardstock is 2 sheets of basil green, and for your embellishments you'll receive one of the chipboard phrases. So these will vary, but that is the one I got, Santa Baby. And then 1 sheet of the stickers. And like I said, this is such a cute vintage antique-y look to this collection with the colors and the icons. This little snowman with the little reindeer is just adorable, and he shows up in the snow globe too. And the little elves. Just reminds me of my childhood. So a gorgeous collection from Pebbles, Cozy and Bright. Our last collection, Simple Vintage Christmas from Simple Stories, is just that, a simple vintage collection that is just stunning. So this first paper is called Be Merry, and it has a text print along the outside with this beautiful holly in the corners. The back is this diagonal Christmas green and red stripe, a very antique vintage color to it and distressed. This one called Believe, which is the large red buffalo check, again with this text on the outsides. And the back is this holly print, and it also has a text print on the back. Our third sheet is the 3x4 cut apart, perfect to tuck in and layer up clusters or do some journaling on here, or you could even make some Christmas cards with this. The back side is a green with a white distressed dot going through it. So one more look at your pattern papers. Your cardstock is going to be 2 sheets of smoke cardstock. And then for your embellishments, you're going to get one of the frames, which this is just simply stunning. I just love it. It's going to vary among the kits, but this is the one that I got, as well as one of the sticker sheets, so this will vary as well, and a 5th pack of the ephemera pieces. So all of your embellishments will vary, but this is what I received in my pack. So again, that's Simple Vintage Christmas from Simple Stories. Just simply gorgeous. One more look at your flavors of the month. If you're not already a subscriber of the YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and you'll be notified when new videos are released. And again, come on over to the ScrapRoom blog and the Facebook group and join in on some challenges and see what your design team and fellow subscribers are creating. And thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kit.